Hello everyone, today I am going to share a beautiful video regarding Phi Phi Island tour. So we went on a Phi Phi Island trip from Phuket and we booked this tour through Klook, which made everything very smooth and well organized. Early morning a van came directly to our hotel for pickup, so we didn't have to worry about the transport at all. The driver was on time and we were taken comfortably to the pier. Phi Phi Island is not just beautiful, it's balanced, wild but welcoming, dramatic but peaceful. It leaves you feel small in the best way, like the world is vast, stunning, and still capable of surprising you. So after booking through Klook, they will send you an email and WhatsApp number, because in Thailand you won't have a phone, or a better communication is the WhatsApp. So they will send a message with the driver number in the WhatsApp. So you can chat or you can speak with them in the WhatsApp. So in the night they will tell that they will come for pickup at this time. They will confirm the hotel, so they have to tell that we have to wait in the hotel lobby. So they will come on proper time. So they took us in the van and now we have reached in the pier. You can see some other group, they are sitting, and this band they gave us so that we will go in a group, and this band will make us know that we are in this group and we have to go, and we will not be lost there, we will be in group. After reaching the pier, we were warmly welcomed by the staff. They offered us different drinks and light snacks, which was really refreshing before our journey would start. So we were asked to relax and sit for a while as they have prepared everything for the trip. In the snacks, there are 2 or 3 varieties of drinks were there. Along with that, they have other bread, jam. Even you can toast your own bread and you can apply the jam which flavor you like. So the drinks was really awesome and taste was good, and there were many different kinds of cookies were there, so that taste good. Some are salty, some are sweet, but we didn't eat much as we have to go in the speedboat, and the speedboat speed is very high, like a roller coaster ride. So knowingly we ate little breakfast, then we thought after coming back we will have a good meal. So we ate little, then we were ready for the speedboat tour to the Phi Phi Island. So they have tea or coffee option, so if you like you can make your own coffee or tea. Even Milo was there, so you can mix with milk and drink. Even they have some different kind of rice with chicken. I don't know the exact name, but some rice and chicken, so it was like sticky rice with chicken. They have to, like, we have to put some herbs or some like masala kind of stuff and we have to eat. So it was little new for me, so I didn't go for it. I simply took 2 pieces of bread and I took some jam, and I thought let me eat this before starting of the trip. Even they have many varieties of dress, cord set, like till size 5XL they have. So if you are little overweight or something, you don't need to worry, definitely you will get your size fit here. So they have some different accessories like swimming accessories, snorkeling accessories, even shirts, swim short. Then they have a like a camera, that mobile pouch, like if you will go to snorkeling, then you can put your mobile phone in that pouch. So it's really helpful. It was only 100 to 150 baht, and this sets were 450 baht, where the shirt and like shorts will come. So you can see this is where we have to board our speedboat. So before boarding, so we took some of the pictures, then we started to board our speedboat. So if you are going for the snorkeling or scuba diving, so this shoe is mandatory because there are sea urchins are there, it can hurt you. So it would be very painful if you will get hurt by them. It is sometimes dangerous also, but some sea urchins are okay, but some sea urchins are dangerous, so it can be fatal. So it's always advisable to get these shoes. But like I'll tell my experience, even after wearing this shoe also we get hurt of sea urchin, and which was really painful. So we washed it through the vinegar, then we applied the lemon, so after 3-4 days it got better. So my advice is better you should be careful of sea urchins, so they are really painful one. So while snorkeling you might get hurt, so you need to be careful. It's just my advice. So after having our morning snack, the team they asked us to relax and sit for a while. During this time, the team also briefed us about the schedule, safety instruction. Good morning. After the briefing was done, we are ready and we took some picture and we headed towards our speedboat. It was really excited because this is the first time we are going to some beautiful island, the Phi Phi Island, Phi Phi Don, Phi Phi Lay Island in the speedboat. So previously they gave us one seasickness medicine. So before boarding the speedboat, we have to eat the seasickness medicine, otherwise you will get sick definitely. So better if you are visiting, then definitely eat the seasickness medicine before boarding the speedboat, otherwise you will get vomiting sensation or you might vomit. So better you should be careful. So before starting up the boat, so everybody they wear their life jackets. So they provided everyone, each of them, we have to wear the life jacket because safety is fast.
Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce. We cannot go to Phi Phi Island today, okay? Over, Captain, Captain Don. Everyone, clap your hand for Captain Don, please. Alright. And this lady, this is our photographer, okay? If you need to take some picture, if you need to take some photo, just call her, okay? My name is Katie, okay? Katie, okay? Alright, and you guys remember my name? Tony. Okay, thank you so much, you guys. So you guys, first up today, we're gonna take you to Phi Phi Island. Okay, we're gonna go to Viking Cave Phi Phi. Okay, so from here to the first stop take time around 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour from here to get there. So everyone, when the boat running, we need your help. Would you please sit down? Only no walk, no stand up. Okay, because we need balance the boat. Okay, and someone you want to smoking, you just wait the boat stop first. When Captain turn off the engine, and then you can go on the front of boat for smoking. Okay. Inside the boat cannot because under your seat have a lot of gasoline. Maybe 300 liter if you smoking. Boom. I don't want to be a barbecue. Okay. Alright. Okay, you guys. So on the boat we have soft drinking water free for you right here. Okay. If you need it, just call me or our team. Okay, we're gonna give you. Okay. And on the boat we also have toilet for you. This one our toilet, but it's too small. Yeah. This is for emergency case, one for small business or for changing. Then your clothes only. Okay. Okay, guys, are you ready? Yeah.
I try to capture each and every moment so that I can pass it for my viewers. So if you are also planning to go to Thailand, then definitely go for the speedboat tour. And so they have many islands. In some other day also you can go for the big boat tour. So today for Phi Phi Island we chose to go in the speedboat. On the next day for Krabi we chose for the big boat tour. So that video I'll show you in the next episode. So it was a really fun, like it was a roller coaster. So they provided us the water and some light crackers, so it was a good experience. If you are new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe it, like this video and share it with your friends and family. Watch till the end of this video to see the Phi Phi Island and how we have done the swimming. So I made this video in 2 parts. So first part every details along with the Phi Phi Island. In the second part what all different islands we had covered. So I will share that in the next video.
Okay. Actually, everyone, Phi Phi Island we have two Phi Phi. Phi Phi Lake and Phi Phi Don. Okay. Right now we are in Phi Phi Lake, and if you see the back side, the big one right there, the main one. That's what we call Phi Phi Don Island. Okay. We're gonna go have lunch, snorkeling, and see the monkey on that island. After we finish Phi Phi Lake Island. Okay. Okay, you guys. So right now you can stand up and see in your right hand side. This one we call Viking Cave or bird nest cave, okay? So we can stop here just few minutes, just only 1 or 2 minutes only because nothing to do here. Just picture on the because this one we will come back to bird nest and this one we make Okay, you guys, right now please sit down first, okay? When you are done, please stop the boat and then you can stand up the picture or the booking depends on you, okay? So we're gonna go and stop at the end inside there for a swim, half an hour. So you can do that.
So here we have done a very nice swimming. So it was a great experience to do swimming in the sea. It was really safe and the water was very like cool temperature. So for snorkeling, you watch the next video which I am going to upload.